Starting around 25 August 2023, Jasmy coin truly is exchanging at $0.004 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.61% in absolute most recent 1 hour in an unobtrusive manner. Jasmy sort of has an essentially complete market cap of $181,636,397, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $13,074,496 in a kind of large manner. This truly makes Jasmy coin, Jasmy, especially positioning at 145 in the cryptographic money market, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. In the event that you in every practical sense are a crypto financial backer, and considering what for the most part is the Jasmy coin cost expectation end of 2023. What will Jasmy coin by and large be fundamentally worth in 2023 in a for the most part enormous manner? Is Jasmy coin a very wise speculation or in every way that really matters, worth purchasing in 2023 in a for the most part significant manner? Will Jasmy value sort of outperform its record-breaking pretty high in a genuinely enormous manner? These in every practical sense are our Jasmy coin cost expectations for Jasmy's future, or so they explicitly thought. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value expectation 2023. As per the Jasmy coin figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Jasmy cost in a real sense is supposed to cross a fundamentally normal value level of $0.005, the normal by and large least value worth of Jasmy coin, toward the finish of the truly current year, ought to truly be $0.004. Besides, Jasmy can in a real sense arrive at a by and large greatest value level of $0.005, which basically is very critical. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value expectation August 2023. The cost for Jasmy coin in August 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.004 and $0.004, which most certainly shows that Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value expectation August 2023. The cost for Jasmy coin in August 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0.004 and $0.004, or so they in every practical sense thought. While the genuinely normal exchanging cost ought to really be around $0.004, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Jasmy value estimate September 2023. The Jasmy coin conjecture for September 2023 expects that the Jasmy may explicitly arrive at a truly most extreme worth of $0.004 with a truly least cost of around $0.004, exceptionally in opposition to mainstream thinking. Discussing the extremely normal value Jasmy can by and large stretch around $0.004 for September, essentially in spite of prevalent thinking. Jasmy coin value figure October 2023. In October 2023, the truly most extreme cost for Jasmy coin could stretch around $0.005, or so they in a real sense thought. Besides, the minimum cost of Jasmy in October 2023 generally is $0.004 with a genuinely normal cost of $0.004, which generally is very huge. Jasmy value gauge November 2023. With respect to November 2023, Jasmy coin generally is supposed to truly arrive at a kind of least value worth of $0.004 in an unpretentious manner. The Jasmy cost could in every way that really matters arrive at a fundamentally greatest cost of $0.005, with the sort of typical cost around $0.004 in an unpretentious manner. Jasmy coin value expectation December 2023. The cost of Jasmy coin for the most part is basically anticipated to in a real sense reach at a by and large least worth of $0.004 in December 2023, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. The Jasmy cost could generally arrive at a greatest worth of $0.005, with the sort of typical exchanging worth of $0.005 all through 2023. Or so they for the most part thought. Jasmy coin kind of past value examination and the truly beyond 24 hours. The crypto for the most part has been especially diminished by 1.05% in its kind of current worth, which by and large is genuinely critical. On the off chance that we explicitly look at the genuinely current market cap of the Jasmy with yesterday's, you can by and large see that the market cap basically is likewise down. Further appearance how Jasmy value gauge September 2023. The Jasmy coin conjecture for September 2023 expects that the Jasmy may especially arrive at an especially greatest worth of $0.004, with a really least cost of around $0.004, or so they in a real sense thought. Jasmy coin most certainly is confronting a very difficult time jumping aboard with truly other crypto coins, exhibiting that Jasmy value estimate September 2023. The Jasmy coin gauge for September 2023 expects that the Jasmy may explicitly arrive at a truly greatest worth of $0.004 with a fundamentally least cost of around $0.004 in every practical sense, as opposed to mainstream thinking. The Jasmy essentially is down to nearly 7.62% over the most recent 7 days. Genuinely further appearance how the Jasmy cost could explicitly arrive at a genuinely greatest cost of $0.005, with the in every practical sense normal cost around $0.004 in every way that really matters, in spite of mainstream thinking. The coin basically is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for sort of past, commonly couple of days. The coin could in every practical sense have sort areas of strength for of at the same time. We don't actually imagine that it would a productive resource in essentially present moment, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Inside the especially most recent 1 month, the cost of Jasmy for the most part diminished by 45.855%, killing an astounding really normal amount of $0.003 from its essentially current worth in an unpretentious manner. This unexpected down in a real sense implies that the coin in every way that really matters is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can explicitly be an essentially decent in a real sense purchase an open door for pretty speedy interest in an all things considered significant way. The 90 days cost change sort of is near 29.15%, and the cost for the most part circled from an in every practical sense least lovely normal cost of $0.005 to sort of greatest essentially normal cost of $0.005 in the exact beyond 90 days. Showing how inside the absolute most recent 1 month, the cost of Jasmy fundamentally diminished by 45.855%, disposing of an incredible by and large normal amount of $0.003 from its really current worth in a significant manner. In especially most recent 4 months, Jasmy coin basically has shown a developing pattern, showing how while the sort of typical exchanging cost ought to by and large be around $0.004, which for the most part is very huge. Hence, we basically imagine that comparable pieces of the market certainly were very famous at that period, showing how Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value expectation 2023 as per the Jasmy coin figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023. The Jasmy cost basically is supposed to for the most part cross and in every practical sense, normal